We are working on math. So, I'm going to put a couple, these are not in your book. These are warm-ups. Long division with remainders. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. No, page I wanted. Here we go. So I'm going to put 2 up. Get your markers ready if you would like to come up to the board. James and Tessa, I will not call on if you're standing up at your desk making noises. Love the enthusiasm, but how many times does 3 go into 5? No, so the 1 goes up on top. There you go. So what is 1 times 3? Or 3 times 1? Yep, there you go. So you subtract 5 minus 3. There you go. So can you put 3 into 2? No, so what do you need to do with the 2? You don't have a remainder, Tessa. That's correct. Remember, that goes up top. No, on top. Yep, there you go. Beautiful. Good job. So everybody, so 1 times 4 is 4. Minus 4 is 0. Take the 8 down. How many times does 4 go into 8?
0.
No. 2.
2.
2 times 4 is? 8. And then you subtract 8 and you get 0. Correct. No remainders. Now this one does. So, how many times does 3 go into 3? 1. So we minus 3, get a 0, take the 5 down. How many times does 3 go into 5?
2.
1. 1 times 3 is? 3. So 5 minus 3 is?
2.
Can you take 3 into 2?
No.
So it is remainder 2. Good job. McKenna and throwing things and Jeremiah. We'll have plenty of time, friends, to get up here. No worries.
It's in front of both of those things.
Oh.
What is?
Thank you. That's something fell. Just gonna-
Yep.
How many times does 2 go into 5? There you go. 2 times 2. There you go. There you go. Can 2 go into 1? Can 2 go into 1? Nope. So where's that 1 going to go? Beautiful. Awesome. Good job, bud. So look at that. You were right on 1 goes into 3 1 time. So you subtract, you get 0. You took down the 8, which is absolutely correct. What is 8 times 3? Yeah, so it's not 8. how many times does 3 go into 8? Yes, there you go. So change the 8 to 2 up on top. There you go. So that's 2. What is 2 times 3? Yes. So you need to take the 8 down here. There you go. And then then you're going to subtract, you said 2 times 3 is what?
6.
Perfect. So you write the 6. You subtract 8 minus 6. Beautiful. There you go. Very, very good. Good. Good job, McKenna. Awesome job. All right, everybody get that?
Yeah.
How many times is 2 going to 2?
1.
Minus 2 is 0. 5 down. How many times does 2 go into 5? 2. Minus 4. Can 2 go into 1?
No.
So we have remainder 1. How many times does 3 go into 3?
1.
Minus 3, 0. Bring the 8 down. How many times does 3 go into 8?
2.
Which is what? 2 times 3 is? 6. So minus 6, will you get what? What is 8 minus 6?
Remainder
2. Remainder 2. Very good, friends. All right. Very good. All right. Open up to page, whatever, what is it, lesson 20? 127. Put this away. My poor book makes me so sad. It's coming apart. All right. Now you are going to follow along in your books. We have the fun little whale shark and stingray. As I have people coming up here, I want you to work on the book as well. Got it?
Got it.
All right.
Get it, got it, good.
Perfect. So we are going to say, it's so hot in here. We are on 1A, which is 2 divided by 25. B is 3, or 38 divided by 3. Jonathan Winsheen. Got plenty to do, don't worry. I see panic looks every time I don't call your name. We have plenty to do, don't worry.
Mrs. Reed just did these ones.
Did you work, but you didn't do in your book, did you?
Yeah. That was yesterday.
Yes, I know that, but remember there was confusion, so we're going to go over it again because this is repetition. A lot of you had a panic look because you didn't write them. So today, if you did not write them in your book. Otherwise, work along. This is all new stuff. The more you do it, the easier it's going to be. Very good. Am I the only one dying in here?
Yeah. I'm kidding.
Hot in here. There's no air circulation. All right, very good.
Yeah.
Except, Jonathan, you need to come back up. It is not 11 remainder 3. We need to relook at that. How many times does 2 go into 5? What is... There you go. Now we're talking. I don't want any talking out there, though. There you go. Beautiful. Nice job. All right. Everybody have that written in their books?
Yeah.
sure.
Talk to your kids about masks at some point too, so I just
Could
need
do
to
right
plan
now.
for that. I'll come back. but-
Okay, all right. All right, I need Helen and M to come up. And how would you say that?
250.
So you zero out the 4 and take the 7 down. Do the work. Arrow, this is 0, arrow down, that turns 7 down there. There you go. How many times does 4 go into 7? There you go. So then what is 4 minus 7? You put the 4 here. There you go. Put a subtract. There you go. Now you can, there you go. Beautiful. Very nice, ladies. Now, you all, the book asks you to also, with these, is to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to write the order in which all of these things go. Division, multiplication, subtraction, check, down, right? You need to write those down in your book. Do you see what I'm saying? On 1A, B, and C. All right. More following the signs. Owen and Jeremiah. Good. How would you say that, Owen?
3,645.
Beautiful. So you might want to check something. There you go. Beautiful. I didn't even have to show you. You caught it yourself. Good job. And how do you say that?
1,377.
Beautiful. Good job. You guys are getting so good at this. I'm gonna put my glasses on so I can see. We're gonna do one more whiteboard, and then we're gonna do some work together. Cole. You're all working on your own, on your books as well, correct? All right. Bless you. And how would you say that?
5,508.
Beautiful. Good job, friends. All right. Now, let us move to number 4 on page 128. I am going to tell you, say out loud numbers, and you need to write it. Meaning, I'm going to say the number, and you're going to write it. Not write it out, but just write it in its numerical form. Write the numbers your teacher says. 371,285 is A. For A. 371,285. B, 500,200. 500,200. Yes, Christian.
On A, you said, is it 371 or 375?
371,285.
Oh, it's true.
Yeah. C, 1,001. 1,001. D, everybody ready or do you need more time? Yes, Helen. 500,200. Thumbs up if you are ready to move forward. Bless you. All right. Number, yes.
What is number A?
A, 371,285. And then D, the last one, is 72,604. 72,604. All right, so I am going to help, I'm going to read the story problems with you, and then you are going to do the remaining 5, 6, and 7 on your own. You can work in class, okay? So let's move up to 3 story problems. We're kind of jumping around, but that's okay. Who would like to read this story problem A? M. Nice and loud for all to hear.
Liao and her parents are planting a garden. They have 2 rows of carrots, 5 rows of corn, and 1 row of lettuce. How many rows of vegetables have they planted all together?
The key word is all together. So what do you think that hint tells you? Toby, you're adding. Very good. So you need to put the workspace, the number, and then you also have to write the number, but do not forget the answer needs to have the word rows in it. How many rows of vegetables have they planted all together? Christian?
8.
Oh, okay. That is true. It is 8. 8 rows. So make sure you put the workspace, do the problem in its entirety. Who would like to read the next story problem? Caroline, loud and proud.
Levy counts growing on his strawberry plants. One plant had 12 berries, a second plant had 10 berries, and the third plant had 15 berries. How many berries did Levi find?
So how many berries did Levi find? So what kind of story problem are we dealing with here? Helen?
Plus.
Yes, addition. So make sure your answer on the story problem includes how many berries. And then I want to see the story problem in its entirety written in the workspace. Let's go. You need to do this.
Hungry for berries.
I know, that sounds really yummy. I love berries. Berries are
Especially strawberries.
All right, and what was the answer to this? How many berries all together? My goodness, I have so many enthusiastic. I didn't see what the numbers were. Okay, so how many berries in all? Tessa? 37 berries should be in the story problem line with your work in the workspace. Now I'm going to give you time to work on 5, 6, and 7. I'm going to write it on the board. If you don't get it done, you will have to take it home, okay? Which is no big deal. But this is, I'm giving you plenty of time to work on it right now. Yes? Go for it. All right, this concludes our math.